guys, good morning. It's me again, Polen Music and Vlog, and now I'm with the famous Gio. Gio
Welcome from
Gio?
Georgia. Gio is your
Gio, yeah.
Welcome guys from
Now
Georgia.
he's taking me to Gudauri.
Gudauri.
Yay! And what else? Where else?
Gudauri and an
Yes,
originally cable car riding there, paragliding,
Yeah.
skiing, skating, everything.
But
What's
guys,
in
I'm
your
not
mind?
so ready because I forgot my jacket, as I have told you before.
One shot vodka and everything will be okay.
Yeah.
She will feel warm.
Oh my god. So
Here we
let's
have
see.
local beers.
There you go.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
Yeah, see you later guys.
Bye bye.
Bye. Guys, I cannot say anything.
This is freedom, it's a square of heroes, you see? We had war against Russia 2 times, and there are all the names of the heroes who died in the war against Russia.
Oh, we cannot.
And at night it's illuminated with big light which goes up in the sky.
We didn't pass here yesterday.
Hi guys! Eto na nga! Medyo disappointed ako konti guys. Konti lang, konting-konti lang. Kasi itong tour guide ko, hindi niya sinabing may kasama akong pamilya, 4 sila. Hindi niya sinabi. Eh ngayon parang hindi akma sa sinisingil sa akin. Parang medyo mahal kasi nga group naman pala to. Kala ko, pagmamayari ko lang siya. Pagmamayari! Ayun na nga, oh, kala ko private tour. At least kahapon man sana yung sa brother niya, sabi niya, you will be with my brother, a private tour with my brother. Pero may kasama pa rin akong couple, Indian couple. So ngayon, ito naman, pamilya. Let's see, okay lang. Chill-chill lang.
Once again? Yes, Gio.
This is
Tell me
Jinwali
about it.
Reservoir.
Uh-huh.
This water we are drinking in Tbilisi, okay? The first time here was village, but Soviet Union government decided to make this reservoir. So guys, in Georgia we are not buying water in the market. We are drinking from tap. Thanks
Good,
Jinwali.
mashallah.
Thanks Jinwali Reservoir.
Yeah. Hi guys, it's Maple and Music and Vlog, and still I'm with Gio, the famous Gio. Gio, come on.
Hello. Guys, it's nice in Georgia.
Yeah,
Cool.
it's very cold in here,
Not too
and
much.
as you have said before, this is the reservoir that is
Guys,
supplying.
wild ducks. See the wild ducks. 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
There.
Hello!
See? Now they will sit there.
So guys, ito nga yung pinanggagalingan ng iniinom nila ng buong Tbilisi, finifilter lang. Dito ang first stop ng mga tourist papuntang Gudauri. So, yeah. This is, I don't know which place. So, bye!
Hi guys, it's me, Polen Music and Vlog. I'm back. I'm in Gudauri right now. Yeah. And real snow is here, guys. Oh my god. Ta-da-da-da. Oh my god. I'm not having, you know, the gloves for snow. I'm just having normal gloves. So, I don't know what is the activities for today. It's up to my tour guide. I think I will go to paragliding. I don't know how much it will cost.
There's a lot of people in here. There's a lot of tourists. Yeah, they are all enjoying their ride with the snow. Oh my god. Yeah, come on. So may nakasama ako guys from Doha. Yan sila, buong pamilya. So guys, we will try. Here. Yes.
What?
Abara means of course. Of course. Abara. Abara. Where is music? Music.
Yay!
Ah, video.
One more.
Da, 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 da.
This is the famous Gio of Tbilisi. If you want to come over here, yeah, just contact Gio.
Abara.
What's your FB page?
Everyone wants with Gio, tour guide Gio Georgia.
Yeah, tour guide Gio. That's how I search. Abara!
Abara, guys, Abara. It's you. Da, 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 da.
One for
Da, 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 da.
Christmas is snow.
Da, 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 da. Da, da, da,
May
da, da.
sarili siyang mundo, guys.
Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da.
We don't have the lyrics, yeah?
Everything we want. For Christmas it was snow when we have it.
Yeah,
We
of
will never
course.
be low because we love snow. When we will grow,
Abara!
Abara. All we want for Christmas
Is snow.
baby.
Baby.
Going to be zero visibility, guys. Oh my god.
Not too much. Just only 2 minutes and it's there.
Yeah, and
Then we will get out. Maybe or we can go back.
You know, last time we went to different areas. There is 3 steps of cable.
guys, I'm with the family from Doha, Qatar.
Oh, run. I mean, Dharma.
I need the rescue team. Rescue team is there.
What we want for Christmas?
No.
We're having the real snow here in Gudauri. Gudauri, yeah. And this is Gio, the famous Gio in Tbilisi.
Oh my god. It's very cold in here, guys. Please come and visit Gudauri soon, here in Tbilisi. Oh my god, this is amazing experience. Will come snow. Oh my god. I can make halo out of it. Yay.
Here after January we will enjoy every day. Mixing all the music, drinking. What we need.
Guys, I'm having a real good time. I hope I will not be sick when I get back home. Oh my god. Look. Really, really. I can make a halo out of it. I just don't have the fruits, guys. Oh my god. It's almost zero visibility. Guys, oh my god.
Sorry guys, I traveled alone, so I don't have anyone to talk to. But it's okay, I am enjoying it. There's a lot of people in here. Yeah, and everybody's enjoying, everybody's cold, but it's okay. This is just once in a lifetime maybe. Like for me, it's my first time to play in the snow. So, oh my god, this is real. I cannot believe it. I cannot imagine. I hope I can bring my parents here, but they are already old. I think they cannot bear the, the weather. It's, I think, -8 degrees. Oh my god. Oh.
Hi guys! Welcome to Polen
Yeah, I
Music and
also would
Vlog.
like this 1 minute.
Picture one. Hindi, set mo. Nakaset na yan. O, sige. 1, 2, 3.
One more. Okay, one more. 5 seconds. Yeah.
5 seconds.
Okay, close your head.
Ando parang natin.
Guys, I tried everything I can. Now I'm feeling cold. I cannot bear the cold and the weather anymore.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh my god. Woo! Abara! Okay.
Guys, we are done and we're going back to the city. Yeah, Abara. Thank you so much, Gio, for taking taking care of us here in Gudauri.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you give it away.
This dish are swimming
Ginawa
on the
mo fishing
Pacific
with-
River. Let's do Georgian coin. Yuck.
Guys, Gio asked me to throw this coin, so I'll come back to Georgia, to Tbilisi. Like, to be sure. Yay! This is the coolest Gio in Tbilisi.
We love life. Yeah.
You only live once.
Only once, not twice. After death, we will live forever.